Shoes with wheels fuse casual footwear with rolling mobility, appealing to kids, teens, and adults seeking quick, playful transit and novelty fashion. These products sit at a price range from budget-friendly to premium, making it essential to evaluate comfort, build quality, wheel performance, and safety features before purchasing. This comparison tests 5 models across 4 brands: Heelys, Weds, NSAC, Eho.
List number 1. Double row deform wheel automatic walking shoes, invisible deformation roller skate. The Weds F roller skate sneakers present a 2-in-1 concept with hidden wheels that deploy via a heel switch, offering a unique deformation wheel mechanism designed for casual glide moments without sacrificing walking comfort. The exterior combines an anti-encrusting, hydrolysis-resistant, leather-like upper with a breathable inner and a synthetic outsole engineered to protect feet during both walking and light skating. The size guidance emphasizes exact length-based sizing with a recommendation to size up for wider feet, which directly impacts fit and stability during wheel use. At $98, this is positioned as a premium option with a focus on novelty, durability, and a secure heel retraction system. In practice, the shoe delivers a sturdy walking shoe feel with an active interest in gaming or parkour-style use cases. The hidden wheel mechanism is a standout feature, enabling quick conversion from walking to skating by engaging the wheel through a heel switch. However, the complexity of the mechanism and the upper materials may add weight and require careful maintenance to prevent wheel misalignment or debris ingress. The interior breathability and moisture management seem adequate, but the overall weight, about 2 kilograms per pair, could affect long sessions of continuous skating, especially for smaller feet or younger users.
List number 2. Ihao unisex roller shoes, kids sparkling wheels shoes, girls light up. Ihao's budget-friendly option emphasizes visual appeal, sparkling wheels, light-up LEDs, and broad appeal for kids. It trades some premium materials for affordability, achieving a price point of $39.99. The design focuses on flashy aesthetics and straightforward wheel integration, making it approachable for first-time wearers who want a carefree glide experience with minimal setup. The lightweight construction and flashy lighting can be highly engaging for children and gift purchases, though it may sacrifice some advanced stability or long-term material durability seen in higher price models. In daily use, these shoes excel as party or playground footwear with easy-to-use charging for light-up features and a forgiving fit for growing feet. The user experience benefits from a simple on-off LED system and a visual reward when the wheels engage. For more committed skaters or daily commuting, the emphasis on flash over structural rigidity could manifest as faster wear or a less refined glide, making it best suited for occasional use and display rather than heavy-duty rolling.
List number 3. NSAC Kids Roller Shoes Boy-Girl Sneakers with Wheels. Become sport sneaker with LED 4. NSAC's variant emphasizes LED integration and a sporty sneaker silhouette. Priced at $39.99, it targets families seeking a visually engaging option without a premium price. The design likely balances comfort with a straightforward roller mechanism, aiming for quick learning and stable transitions from walking to skating. LED accents add a visual cue for safety and visibility, particularly in dim environments or at parties, while the sneaker style maintains everyday wear compatibility. The key selling point is affordability paired with a kid-friendly aesthetic. In use, NSAC shoes appear to provide a comfortable fit for children and teens, with wheels that deploy in a familiar manner typical of many beginner roller sneakers. The LED feature enhances visibility but may introduce additional maintenance considerations, battery replacement or charging. For casual users, this model emphasizes ease of use and visual appeal over high-speed performance or advanced control.
List number 4. Heely's Pro 20 Boys. Heely's Pro 20 reintroduces the classic Heely silhouette with upgraded comfort features including padded tongue and collar, a low-profile wheel with ABEC 5 bearings, and durable rubber outsole with an abrasion-resistant brake pad. At $45, this option sits in the lower mid-tier, offering the canonical wheel-in-the-sole experience with modern refinements to support basic everyday wear and light rolling.
The brand's heritage in wheel-integrated footwear lends credibility in availability of parts and aftermarket care, though the build quality across generations can vary based on supply chain changes. In practice, Heely's Pro 20 deliver predictable walking comfort with a familiar wheel-rights approach, making it easier for new users to learn. The ABEC 5 bearings suggest smoother rolling, but the overall performance remains discipline-focused on light skating rather than high-speed or technical tricks. The simple, familiar design is advantageous for households already invested in Heely's ecosystems and looking for a reliable, low-barrier option.
List number 5. Heely's Youth Pro 20 Prince Ivory Ella Wheels Skate Shoe Shoes. Heely's Youth Pro 20 Prince Ivory Ella brings a canvas upper with a print story to the Pro 20 line, offering low-profile wheels for a more subtle rolling experience. Priced at $58.50, this model targets a fashion-forward youth audience seeking a stylish daily sneaker with rolling capability. The combination of a canvas upper and low-profile wheels aligns with a casual, everyday aesthetic and broad color print options, which can drive style-led purchases. The floor of this model is the typical Heely's Pro 20 platform, implying reliable performance but not dramatic performance enhancements over standard Pro 20 iterations. In use, the Ivory Ella variant prioritizes aesthetics and wearability in day-to-day activities, including school, social events, and light skating sessions. The absence of advanced materials or high-end bearings suggests a strong value proposition for fashion-conscious buyers, with the caveat that performance is aligned to casual cruising rather than intense skating.